On Wednesday, 9th February 2022, Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA had laid the foundation stone for the dairy complex and MUKHLA in West JAINTIA Hills. CONRAD SANGMA, while addressing the gathering, informed that the Rs 9 crore dairy project falls under the National Programme for Dairy Development and has been intended to bridge the gap in the production and consumption of milk, which in turn will positively impact the livelihood of over 2,000 farmers in the area. The project is also expected to generate about Rs 60 crores of revenue per month, informed the Chief Minister.
12 lakh litres of milk per month is what our production right now is. But at the same time, our consumption on an annual level is over 200 lakh litres. So therefore, there is a huge gap in the production and the consumption in terms of milk in our state. And therefore, we see a great opportunity in this. And at the same time, we have seen that the opportunity that exists is over 675 crores worth of milk production can take place. And if this does take place, then 675 crores of money will go to the different cooperatives, different farmers, and different businesses that are involved in the dairy sector simply by meeting the consumption requirement of our own state. And that is why this project is one of the parts in the process to create that livelihood, to ensure that we shorten the gap between the demand and supply, and in the whole process create value for our farmers and the cooperative societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 150,000 litres, and that is approximately 60 crores of revenue per month.
Speaking on the occasion, CONRAD SANGMA once again reiterated the fact that based on the growing population of the state, the MDA government expects about 50,000 youths to join the workforce on an annual basis. And for the same, such jobs need to be created all across sectors in order to cater to the employment needs of the younger generation.
Based on the population trend that we are seeing in our state, we expect that 50,000 youths will join the workforce every year, which simply means that we need to create 50,000 new jobs every year for our youth. And that is a huge challenge. And realizing this challenge and the growth in the youth population, the government has started to embark on different ways of creating livelihood. Whether it is the agriculture sector, whether it's the animal husbandry sector, whether it's the tourism sector, or other service sectors like the IT sector. We realize that government jobs can be created in a limited manner, but it is only through entrepreneurship, it is only through different self-help group movements, different cooperative movements, will we be able to create the livelihood that is required for the people.